COMFEE is how I feel.
Ring's got a new doorbell that's pretty much its old doorbell, but shiny and new and better. We're reviewing the 2nd gen Ring Video Doorbell right now. So this is a reskin, remake, re-update. There we go, we'll call it a rupdate. This is the 2nd generation rupdated Ring Video Doorbell. The first model came out all the way back in 2014. Since then, Ring was bought by Amazon and they released the Ring Video Doorbell 2, the 3, the 3 Plus, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, but that first model became more and more outdated until now. So here's what's new. 1080p live streaming as opposed to 720p in the original, more customizable motion zones and better night vision. That's pretty much it. But here's what's appealing. When it first launched, it was a top-of-the-line video doorbell and cost $200. Now it's only $100. So what Ring's offering is updated hardware on the original model while keeping it on the budget-friendly side of things to round out their offerings. But is it good? Yeah, kinda. Especially if you're already invested in Amazon stuff and you want a budget but competent model guarding your door. Physically, it looks a lot like the old Ring, so most of the improvements are internal. It's still battery powered or you can hardwire, and it's better if you're willing to hardwire. The battery isn't removable. It can last between 3 to 6 months, but then you'll need to bring it inside for a few hours, and the ruffians will be free to traipse through your yard and you'd be powerless. Powerless, I say, unless you run a long extension cord to it, or you could get Ring's solar powered attachment, but if you have a shaded porch, that might not cut it. So the simple answer is you're better off with this guy if you can hardwire it. Either way, setup is easy and Ring walks you through it. Alerts come promptly and you can customize motion zones. So it's pretty good, especially for $100. But disappointingly, Ring doesn't offer any free cloud storage of clips. Nada. So if somebody steals something from your porch and you're not quick enough to pull up the live feed and catch them in the act, well, your box set of Buffy the Vampire Slayer belongs to them now. The subscription is reasonable at only $3 a month, but I wish there was something you could get for free. Pay up and you get 60 days of clips stored in the cloud, and you can access people-only motion alerts, so Ring doesn't bug you every time the neighborhood cat strolls by. And bonus, it comes with a free scoop of Ring and Amazon's privacy baggage. Ring worried privacy advocates when it partnered with local law enforcement agencies to monitor neighborhoods. Thousands of Ring users had their data exposed last December. We actually stopped reviewing and recommending Ring products altogether for a while. Since then, they've added mandatory two-factor authentication, there's a control center for better access to privacy settings, they've made improvements. That said, if you're considering buying a Ring product, it's worth taking a look at their privacy policy to make sure you're comfortable. With all of that in mind, do I recommend the second generation Ring Video Doorbell? Again, kinda. I haven't even mentioned competitors in here. It's a big field, and going through all that is a whole other video. Point being, this isn't the best product for everyone. I recommend it to you specifically if you're invested in Amazon's ecosystem and want a budget-friendly, hardwired video doorbell. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the vid, and subscribe to CNET's YouTube channel for more. And speaking of whole other video, here's one we made comparing the Ring Pro and the Nest Hello. And there we go. That's the full spiel on the updated Ring.